and moon. Sunrise 6:03 a.m. Sunset 6:02 p.m. Moonrise 8:05 p.m. Moonset 8:12 a.m. on 21st September. Tithi, lunar day. Krishna Tritiya, the third day of the Krishna Paksh, waning moon, until 9:44 p.m., followed by Krishna Chaturthi. Significance: Krishna Tritiya is a time for planning and executing tasks that require determination. It is also considered a favorable time for spiritual practices, particularly related to Ganesha worship. Nakshatra, lunar mansion. Ashwini Nakshatra until 3:24 p.m., followed by Bharni Nakshatra. Ashwini, known for its swift and healing energy, this nakshatra is excellent for starting new projects and embarking on journeys. Bharni, linked with fertility, transformation, and nurturing, Bharni is favorable for activities that involve creativity, caretaking, and responsibilities. Yoga, Vriddhi Yoga until 1:53 p.m., followed by Dhruva Yoga. Vriddhi Yoga, this is a favorable time for growth and success in personal and professional endeavors. Dhruva Yoga, known for stability, Dhruva Yoga supports long-term planning and projects that require endurance and consistency. Karana, Palva Karana until 9:44 p.m., followed by Kolva Karana. Balva, ideal for tasks that require cooperation and persistence. Kolva, favorable for partnerships, deals, and relationship building. Paksh, Krishna Paksh, the waning phase of the moon, ideal for letting go of unnecessary attachments and introspective activities. Samvatsara, Shaka Samvat 1946, Krodhi. Vikram Samvat 2081, Pingala. Gujarati Samvat 2080, Rakshasi. Auspicious timings: Shubh Muhurt, Abhijit Muhurt, 11:41 a.m. to 12:31 p.m., considered highly favorable for important decisions and new beginnings. Amrit Kalam, 8:47 a.m. to 10:22 a.m., another auspicious period for success and prosperity. Inauspicious timings: Dur Muhurtam, Rahu Kalam, 10:37 a.m. to 12:09 p.m., avoid important activities during this period. Yamaganda, 3:19 p.m. to 4:51 p.m., unfavorable for significant decisions or actions. Gulikai Kalam, 7:36 a.m. to 9:08 a.m., not suitable for new ventures. Planetary positions: Sun, Surya in Leo, Sinha. Moon, Chandra in Aries, Mesha. Mars, Mangal in Taurus, Vrishbha. Mercury, Buddha in Leo, Sinha. Jupiter, Guru in Taurus, Vrishbha. Venus, Shukra in Leo, Sinha. Saturn, Shani in Aquarius, Kumbha. Rahu in Pisces, Meena. Ketu in Virgo, Kanya. Additional observations: Chandra Rashi, Moon sign. Aries, Mesha. Disha Shul, direction to avoid for travel. West, traditionally, avoid traveling westward on this day. Season, Ritu, Varsha Ritu, monsoon season, a time for nourishment, healing and growth. Significance of the day: Friday, Shukravara ruled by Venus. Shukra, Friday is ideal for matters related to love, beauty, luxury and arts. It's a good day to focus on creativity, relationships and self-care. Ashwini Nakshatra supports new ventures, quick decisions, and taking bold steps forward. Bharni Nakshatra, a day that fosters creativity and taking care of responsibilities. Good and bad yogas. Good yoga, Vriddhi Yoga, is beneficial for activities that involve growth and success, especially in business and personal relationships. Bad yoga, Dhruva Yoga, while generally good, may slow down progress if patience and consistency are not practiced.